So beauty, comfort, and features are all great. But today, we expect things to adapt to us, and certainly not the other way around. So for me, the ideal comfort zone has to be smart, intuitive, and personalized, making interaction almost seamless.
Cutting-edge features like navigation with augmented video, biometric logging, voice assistant, and smart home function are all part of the new C-Class. Thanks to one intelligent user interface, our MBUX. All major streaming providers are integrated in the C-Class. Enjoy millions of sound by voice or touch. You just name it. MBUX can probably do it for you.
Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
what's for breakfast? Oh, waffles sound good. Oh, those are good.
Okay, maybe not that. But if you really want waffles, MBUX can order them for you. MBUX is much more than just a personal assistant. It serves as a central nervous system that intelligently networks all vehicles' functions. This predictive system makes driving and even life in general much easier for our customers.
It's all about artificial intelligence. Have you ever had a car this smart?